So this is a t-shirt that we recently made. So first of all, this is a vintage t-shirt. If you look closely, it has this like different type of this very cute and cool vintage wash effect. And then the back is a huge digital printing. This type of printing can be only achieved by using our white ink digital printing, which is one type of a CTG printing technique. Look at how big it is. Normally the small digital printing machine, there's a limit on size. I think like 30 or 40 by 50-ish, so quite small. And then the front, as you can see, is applique embroidery. So this part is applique embroidery, and then the well part is 2D flat embroidery. So this type of effect is achieved by washing it, and then you have this little, edges, vintage filling. Super cool. And here's the outcome. And then the t-shirt is like very heavy and soft. If you look closely, this is a 300 GSM. This is a 300 GSM, right?
Yes. 300
GSM fabric, washed, and before washed, you can look inside. It's like 100% black. Here it's black, and then after the wash, have this very cute and fuzzy sort of filling. Very good quality. With our plans, neck labels on it. Here it is.